So the Xcube culture and support system for me has not just enabled me to succeed in my role, but it also helped me identify the right role for me. So I joined Xcube Labs as a digital marketer with little knowledge of digital technology, but a lot of passion for learning about them. And over the course of time, I dipped my toes into solutioning and pre-sales and worked with the pre-sales team on a few cross-functional tasks, and ended up discovering that I have a knack for it, like the whole strategizing part and solutioning and learning about new digital technologies. So my team leader and members, they encouraged me to pursue it further and facilitated the switch to this new role, which I've loved ever back. So I've gained a lot of knowledge in various areas like business strategy, market research, technology consulting, and strategy consulting. And I also got a chance to work on a project hands-on. And I really love this whole experience. And it wasn't easy, but I had a lot of help from different subject matter experts in the company and thought leaders at Xcube. So I feel that I have leaped a couple of years further in my growth trajectory than I would have somewhere else.